How do you perceive the current state of diplomatic relation between India and US? What factor contribute to strengthening or challenge this bilateral relation? When India and US, when India and the US work together, the world is a safer and more prosperous place. Narendra Modi, India and United States share a comprehensive global strategic partnership rooted in share democratic value, economic cooperation, and defense cooperation. Over the years, this relationship have evolved from Cold War era tension to robust engagement across multiple domains, including trade, defense technology, and regional security. Area of strategic partnership between India and US: critical mineral, quantum technology, health, education, space technology, counter-terrorism, Indo-Pacific security, trade and economy, critical emerging technology, clean energy partnership, civil nuclear cooperation, telecommunication, defense technology. India and US relation is at its strongest with increasing strategic trust and deepening cooperation in defense technology, energy, and multilateral engagement. However, divergence persists on trade policy, geopolitical alignment, and concern over human rights and democratic principles. Strengthen strategic partnership. India and US share a comprehensive global strategic partnership with a deeper cooperation in defense, trade, and technology. Robust defense ties. The US recognizes India as a major defense partner with increasing military collaboration, including the Jet Engine Deal 2023 and foundational agreement like Liamo, Comcasa, and WECA. Growing trade and investment. Bilateral trade reached $191 billion in 2023, making the US India's largest trading partner, while American companies invest significantly in India's technology and manufacturing sector. Technology and innovation cooperation. The initiative on critical and emerging technologies 2023, strengthening collaboration in semiconductor, AI, quantum computing, and defense tech. Indo-Pacific and regional cooperation. India and US engage in Quad with Japan and Australia to ensure a free, open, and rule-based Indo-Pacific, countering China's growing influence. Factor contributing to the strength of India-US relation. पहला है strategic and defense cooperation. Major defense partner 2016. India is designated as major defense partner, facilitating great military technology transfer. Foundation agreement. Logistic support agreement Liamo 2016, Comcasa secure communication agreement, WECA geospatial intelligence sharing engagement. जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज हो रही है जैसे मालाबार युद्धाभ्यास, वज्र प्रहार एंड कोप इंडिया एनहांस इंटरऑपरेबिलिटी. जेट इंजन डील 2023, collaboration on fighter jet engine strengthening India's indigenous defense manufacturing. Economic and trade relations. Bilateral trade growth. India-US bilateral trade surged 72% from 2017-18 to 2022-23, crossing $191 billion in 2023. Investment inflow. The US contributed 18% of India's FDI in 2021-22, ranking second after Singapore. Supply chain resilience. India is the part of Indo-Pacific economic framework to reduce dependence on China. Technology and innovation collaboration. Critical and emerging technology 2023. Focus on AI, quantum computing, 5G, 6G, semiconductor, biotech, strengthening India's self-reliance in critical tech domains. अब है नासा इसरो cooperation. India signed the Artemis Accord, ensuring joint space exploration mission. Indo-Pacific regional security, Quad partnership. India, US, Japan, Australia promotes a free, open, rule-based Indo-Pacific, countering China. converging interest in maritime security, freedom of navigation and supply chain diversification, energy and climate cooperation. US India Climate Partnership supports India's net zero by 2027 goal through renewable energy cooperation, green hydrogen and solar power. Investment in clean energy project reduce fossil fuel dependency. Challenges in India-US relation, trade and economic dispute, tariff dispute. The US has raised concern over India's high tariff on goods like medical devices and electronics. JPS, Generalized System of Preference suspense in 2019. The US removed India's preferential trade benefits. Visa restrictions. Stricter H-1B visa policies impact Indian professionals in US. Geopolitical divergence. Russia-Ukraine war. India maintain neutrality, continuing trade with Russia, while US expect stronger alignment. S-400 missile. India's purchase from Russia creates friction due to potential US sanction. CAATSA. Concern over democracy and human rights. US has raised concern regarding freedom of press and religious freedom in India, political development like Citizenship Amendment Act and farm laws. अब आते हैं चाइना फैक्टर एंड रीजनल बैलेंसिंग. इंडिया सीज द यूएस एज ए काउंटरवेट टू चाइना बट रिमेन कॉशियस अबाउट ओवर डिपेंडेंस. The US maintain a pragmatic approach towards China, balancing economic interest with security concern. Way forward for strengthening India-US partnership, deepening economic engagement, conclude a free trade agreement and resolve tariff disputes. Diversification of defense cooperation, reduce dependency on Russia and expand joint defense production, enhance multilateral collaboration, strengthening engagement in Quad, IPEF and another forum, technology and innovation linkages, fast-tech semiconductor, AI and quantum tech collaboration, energy security and climate cooperation, boost clean energy investment and green energy projects. India-US relationship is dynamic, evolving and multifaceted. While strategic trust and shared interest continue to strengthen ties, economic disagreement and geopolitical divergence pose challenges. A balanced and pragmatic approach, respecting mutual concern and priorities, will be key to ensure a stable and enduring partnership in 21st century. इंडिया नीड्स टू बी. ठीक है, अब हम इस पर देखो थोड़ा. ट्रम्प रेसिप्रोकल टैरिफ ऑन इंडियाज. देखो, ऑन अप्रैल 2 यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प मार्क्ड लिबरेशन डे बाय अनाउंसिंग रेसिप्रोकल टैरिफ ऑन मेजर ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर्स. प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प्स टैरिफ मार्क आ प्रोटेक्शनिस्ट शिफ्ट more intense than 1930s smooth Hobble law, which had worsened the Great Depression. The reciprocal tariff logic implies more hike if other country retaliates. Experts fear there is only two paths from here, either negotiation or escalation. ठीक है. Base tariff. A 10% base tariff will be imposed on all countries. This is a significant increase from pre-Trump tariff of rate 2.5%. The base tariff will take effect from 5 April. Country-specific tariff. Additional tariff will be applied based on how much each country charges on US goods. These tariffs are set at half the rate of what US estimate other countries impose. President Trump citing America kindness as the reason for this discounted approach. These tariffs will be enforced from 9 April. अच्छा. Analysis of tariff, kindness और economic strategy. देखो, disproportionate impact on low income countries. Cambodia with a low per capita income of $2,950 and contributing just 1% to US trade deficit faces the high tariff. Bangladesh, with a even low per capita income and only 0.5% of US trade deficit, face of 37% tariff. Acha, disproportionate impact on low income countries. Lighter tariff on major deficit contributors. China will account for 25% of US trade deficit, face 34% tariff. European Union responsible for 20% of deficit, face 20% tariff. Only three reasons: China, European Union and Vietnam contributes double-digit share to the US trade deficit. Belgian nation not exempt. Countries richer than US per capita, such as Switzerland, Singapore, also face tariff. Trade surplus countries also affect. Even countries where US enjoy a trade surplus, like the UK, Brazil, Singapore, Cambodia, face sharp tariff increase. India and US tariff. India has been smacked with a tariff rate of 26%. Key concern raised by the US. High and unpredictable tariff. India's World Trade Organization bound agriculture tariff rate average 113.1% going up to 300. Frequent tariff high without prior notice creates uncertainty for US exporters. Tariff was increased in multiple budget on solar product, telecom equipment and consumer electronics. Regulatory and policy barrier. Lack of transparency in tariff announcement and trade regulations. No uniform government procurement policy leading to inconsistent practices. Inadequate intellectual property enforcement, foreign investment and market access restrictions, FDI restrictions in retail, and dominance of state-owned bank holding 60% market share. Unequal competition in the insurance sector with state-owned firm enjoying government support, agriculture and subsidies, एक्सटेंसिव सब्सिडी जैसे क्रेडिट वेवर हो गया, क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस, इनपुट सब्सिडी, डिस्टॉर्ड मार्केट कंपटीशन. डिजिटल एंड ट्रेड बैरियर्स, frequent interest slowdown, disrupt commercial operation and hinder digital trade. Lack of transparency in regulatory changes, often without proper WTO notification. Silver lining for India amidst Trump's tariff storm. सबसे पहला है comparative advantage over key export rivals. Initially, Trump announced a 26% reciprocal tariff on India. However, final executive order annexure later revised this to 27%, reflecting a slight upward adjustment in tariff rate. It is significantly lower than a tariff imposed on China, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Thailand and Indonesia. India's key export sector like textile and garment may gain a competitive edge over these nations in US market. Though some nations like Japan, Korea and EU face lower tariffs, they don't compete directly with India in most export categories. Moreover, pharmaceutical, India's biggest export to US, are exempted under executive order. Scope for bilateral negotiation. Trump administration has left room for revision of tariff if trade concerns are addressed. India is already in talk with US for bilateral trade deal, aiming to finalize the first phase by October. India's pragmatic non-retaliatory approach. While countries like European Union, Japan, Australia and China may retaliate, India is unlikely to do so given its relatively lower tariff burden and ongoing trade talk. Retaliation could trigger a damaging tariff war which India appear keen to avoid. Instead, India could use this opportunity to reduce its own high tariff, negotiate trade concession with both US and other partners, dismantle arbitrary non-tariff barrier recently imposed. Conclusion: the tariff may act as a wake-up call to make domestic policy more transparent, predictable, and especially in area like tariff, FDI, IP enforcement and digital regulation. अब हम देखते हैं, India needs to be a sensitive and generous partner to Nepal for neighborhood first policy to take root. In this context, mention the recent roadblock in Indo-Nepal relation and suggest a way forward. India's neighborhood policy should focus on building bridge of friendship and cooperation rather than the wall of suspicion and hostility. Sasi Tharoor. India, through its neighborhood first policy, strive to build cordial and synergetic relation with its South Asian neighbor in various areas such as economy, science, technology, research, education, among others. Though India has used this policy for cordial relation with Nepal, like India-Nepal Treaty of Trade in 2009, vaccine Maitri etc. इंडिया नेबरहुड फर्स्ट पॉलिसी फोकस कर रही, देखो, सॉफ्ट पावर डिप्लोमेसी, मिलिट्री एंड डिफेंस कॉपरेशन, लैंड बाउंड्री एग्रीमेंट विद बांग्लादेश, कॉमर्स ऑपरेशन, कनेक्टिविटी, IMT हाईवे, ठीक है, इकोनॉमिक कॉपरेशन, BBIN इनिशिएटिव. की चैलेंजेस क्या हैं? परसेप्शन ऑफ बिग ब्रदर एटीट्यूड. Nepal often perceive India as having a dominant stance in bilateral relation. 1950 Treaty of Peace and Friendship remained unrevised, contributing to Nepal's concern about unequal friendship. India's involvement in Nepal's constitution-making process further strained ties. Kalapani boundary. While 98% of India-Nepal border has been demarcated, dispute persists in Kalapani and Susta region. Nepal extended the Kalapani issue by fueling nationalist sentiment, adding strain to bilateral ties. 2015 economic blockade. The blockade along the Terai region resulted in shortage of essential supplies like fuel and cooking gas, raising concern about Nepal over dependence on India's for trade route. Chinese expanding role. China has significantly increased its investment in Nepal, including infrastructure project under Belt and Road Initiative. Nepal's access to climate Chinese port for trade has reduced its dependence on India, impacting India's strategic influence in the region. Transboundary water dispute. While agreement exists on rivers like Kosi, Gandak, disputes arise particularly during floods. Lack of political will from both the nation has prevented effective integrated water management strategy. Way forward. Revisiting the 1950 Treaty, a mutually acceptable revision of Indo-Nepal Treaty of Peace and Friendship can help address Nepal concern and strengthening people-to-people ties. Leveraging historical, cultural and religious ties can help bridge the trust deficit. Enhance educational, tourism and trade exchange can deepen engagement. Resolving border dispute amicably. Formal bilateral negotiations should address the Kalapani Susta dispute in a constructive and transparent manner. Boosting economic and energy cooperation. India should provide a dynamic market for Nepal's hydropower to enhance economic interdependence. A joint water management system for transnational river could improve disaster mitigation and resource utilization. Countering China's influence with strategic engagement, India should move beyond traditional security concern and focus on development partnership in Nepal. Innovative strategies including infrastructure, education and healthcare investment will enhance goodwill. Enhancing development assistance, strengthening connectivity through road, bridge, cross-border trade corridor will boost Nepal's economic development. Health and education project can reinforce India's image as a reliable partner. India must move beyond rhetoric and focus on practical solutions to strengthen ties with Nepal. A shift from a big brother to a elder brother approach marked by sensitivity, respect, and cooperation will ensure a stable and mutually beneficial relationship while safeguarding India's strategic interest.